And today we are going to take a look at this tool, which will hopefully help us to clean out our solar panels. It has 3 speeds. I already took it out of this package right over here, and it comes with 9 different brushes. I'll show you some images of the unboxing experience. It has 3 different brushes and then a few cleaning cloths. And one of these that I don't know the name, but the scrub really hard. Now the one that we will be using, probably this one, or even this one, which is bigger. Now, if you are watching this video on your Windows 10 or 11 and you still haven't activated, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where you can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price. And with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below on the video description, it will get a bit cheaper. Just in case, the link will be down below just next to this 9-in-1 electric brush. And right now, let's go outside and clean some panels.
Please press 2 seconds to attack.
So I just tested out this first part here, and it's working great. With not much water, I'm able to remove, and usually I do this with a compressor, but with a compressor we do spend a lot of water to achieve the cleaning of the panel. And right now what I'm able to do is to scrub without having any effort, because it will do the work for me, and it is removing the sand or dust, but in this particular case it's sand from Africa that just came from the winds this week, and it's doing a great job while not wasting water, which is one of my concerns right over here. So I'm gonna keep on doing, and probably gonna put in some time lapse or something like that. But as we can see, right, even on the corners, it's quite strong. Quite strong indeed. On the roof we've got these right over here, and they're full of this dust sand that has been falling for the past few days or so. I think these are the worst. That one is this now, this for the water heater, so not as much important, but nonetheless it's not good to have dust. So let's start. I've got already here the tool, which is at 83% battery. It didn't died when we were down below. Now we are ready, so let's go. almost as good as new, really clean. And the best is that without wasting too much water. Actually, really low water usage today. Just need to do these and that's it. So I just finished cleaning up the panels and there we go, all of them clean up, and feedback about this really awesome tool. Now, it's not all pros. Starting with the battery, 180 minutes is too much. I would say that that's possible if we use it only on level 1, and I doubt that it will reach 180 minutes. I'm not really sure if it's 180 of usage or charging, but usage no. I did finish the downstairs part around lunch hour, then I put it to charge, and then I came up here and there we go. And I still have 43 minutes of battery left. So okay, if I started using at level 2 downstairs, probably I would get better results. One of the huge differences that I've seen was that before I usually use a compressor to clean with water, and we waste a lot of water. And with the electric brush, I didn't waste water. I just used a bit of water and then clean it up, and then at the end just wash up, and that was it. While with the compressor, we waste a lot of water. If you ask me, hey Robert, is as effective as a compressor with water? I would say yes, depending on the compressor of course, but when comparing with my compressor, which is a home consumer compressor, it does exactly the same. I would say that probably it does a little bit better because it will brush and it's fast enough to remove a lot of things like fungus that you have seen on the images. Hopefully I was able to share that. While the compressor, it doesn't remove as much. Now, we will spend more time using the cleaning brush than we spend time with the compressor, but I believe that the result is better and we save water. So would I suggest this cleaning brush to clean up solar panels? I would say that it's not meant for it, but if we are intending to use this for the solar panels and of course to clean the automobile wheels and the motorcycle wheels and the bike and something in the bathroom and the kitchen, then I would say that this is great because we will do a better job saving water. And in terms of cleaning, once again, my idea is that it will clean better than my water compressor. So if you are using just for solar panels, probably with a manual brush you will get it done, but for everything else this is a great addition. Now, one of the things that I would like to add is that it's not meant for solar panels, so the thingy is short, as you could see on some images. There's an easy solution. If you have a longer one like I do for painting the walls, you can put it right over here, and then with strong tape you will make it bigger. So it will be just a matter of do it yourself and we will have a solution for that. Other than that, great job. All of them are clean. I can see some spots on the ones down below, but probably because I didn't scrub on the area I was testing out and see how it was. I was focused in some areas that I didn't need to do on the fungus here and fungus. They're just small dots, but the reality is that it removed all this. And hopefully with this video it was a little bit of entertainment for you and you've enjoyed to know a little bit better about this tool and the solar panels, which, by the way, if you are wondering, hey Robert, now they are clean, what is the total power that they will make compared to yesterday? And I did that test previously, so if you search on the channel for solar you will find it, but the answer is I will get 2 kilowatts of difference when I have my panels completely clean against when they are with dust and whatnot. That being said, if the video was helpful in some way, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on that side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.